What's up, guys? It's the Fearless Bloxy here for another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the BoomBox backpack in the 2019 March Roblox Pizza Party event. So you want to go to games. You want to search up whatever floats your boat. Oh, what? 2 seconds. Whatever floats your boat in games. Okay, whatever floats your boat right here. The pizza party event is in this. So you want to get into the game and I'll teach you how to earn the prize, the BoomBox backpack. So, it tells you the information about the pizza party event ending on April 2nd. You want to go to any of these locations. The main goal that you have to do is just find people, like this kid right here. Okay, and then you want to get out your purple pizza launcher and shoot. So the purple pizza launcher can be found in the store, the catalog. It's free, so that's nice. So you want to try to find as many people as you can. So if you can't find anyone, you want to go back to map and find another area. You want to find someone that will shoot you. So no one's here, so you go to a different area. No one's here, so you want to go to a different area. No one's here, so you have to go to a different area. Someone's here, so you want to go into here and get your purple. And he just shot me. So now on the bottom right it says won the Quinty Community Pizza Delivery Pizza Party 2019, and that is how you get the BoomBox backpack.